Hi everyone, my name is Celine and this is Daniel. And today we are exploring Tulum, Mexico. And these are the top 5 things you have to see or do while in Tulum. Let's get started. Welcome to the Mayan Riviera. With white sand beaches and turquoise waters, the beaches in Tulum are extraordinary. Get there early as it gets crowded and it gets very hot during the day. Don't forget to pack your sunscreen. The Tulum Ruins are a must-see, located right on the beach with magnificent ocean views. Tulum was an ancient port city and an important trading center to the ancient Mayans. There are iguanas and lizards everywhere. It's as if they are guarding these ruins. We also saw a snake. You will see ancient castles, temples, the wind god temple, and learn all about the Mayan gods. This is Central Park. It is a luxury Airbnb. I highly recommend it. They have beautiful pools, a great Thai restaurant with a great bar. Highly recommend their margaritas made fresh from scratch in front of you. One of the nicest features is the spa. They have a hydrotherapy circuit. My favorite part was the cold water plunge pool. So today we're going to our first cenote, and here we are. We're walking towards it. I'm going to turn so you can see how beautiful it is. We're going to Cenote Escondido, which translates to hidden. And you do have to kind of walk away. It's about, I would say, 10 minutes, 500 meters.
We're in the jungle, baby.
And we're in the jungle. Cenotes are ancient sinkholes where the limestone has collapsed and groundwater has seeped in to create these turquoise, beautiful, and refreshing natural pools. There are over 7,000 cenotes in the Yucatan Peninsula. These cenotes were valued by the ancient Mayans as a water source, but they also performed sacrificial offerings at these sites. Alright, cenote time.
That's right. How is it?
So nice and cool. The Yucatan Peninsula is extremely hot and humid as you're in a tropical rainforest. These cenotes are popular swimming holes and so refreshing. They're usually surrounded by lots of jungle. You will see lots of pretty insects like dragonflies, tropical butterflies. You'll also see iguanas, lizards, and even monkeys. Bring your snorkel gear, as most have fish in them. These fish like to eat your dry skin, which can tickle. There are two parts to Tulum: the hotel beach area next to the ruins and El Centro, which is the main avenue in Tulum. El Centro is full of cute bohemian boutiques, great food and drinks, and lots of street food. I recommend going here to experience a more authentic Tulum. Speaking of food, the Yucatan Peninsula offers food that is unique to this region, not just your typical Mexican food. On this trip, we tried aguachiles, which is chilies blended with water, mixed with shrimp or fish, cucumber, onion, lime. For vegetarians, I recommend trying chaya. This is a Mayan superfood, also known as tree spinach. It's usually served with eggs for breakfast.
Looks good.
So I take it. Street food is a must. Vendors start to gather after 5 p.m. behind the Tulum Plaza by this church. You can get tacos, corn, and marquesitas. Gonna try his marquesita. Tell me how it is.
With strawberries.
Strawberries, chocolate, and Gouda cheese. Yes, it's a very messy, crunchy food.
It's really good.
Cheesy, huh?
It's better with the strawberries.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can try it.
Okay. And yes, you must go to Taqueria Honorio for authentic mouth-watering tacos. Make sure to get there early as they run out of food around 2 or 3. Mexico has some of the cutest dogs ever. These are street dogs with a very healthy coat. They will come up to you and be so cute and beg for food. I just absolutely fell in love with them. Thank you so much for joining us here on our adventure in Tulum. Make sure to subscribe. Next week we go to Bacalar.